Good morning, dear friends. How is it going? Are you enjoying my recipes? Have you tried out any? So share in the comment section if you have liked any of my recipes and which one did you try out. I'll be glad to hear from you all. Today I'm back with another salad recipe for you, a simple but very delicious and nutritious one. Salads make a very nice meal, light meal, and you feel very light on the stomach, especially after the weekend's indulgence. Mondays it should be a salad lunch. So today's recipe is avocado salad. We are making that with bocconcini cheese and cherry tomatoes. You can use lettuce of your choice. Any vegetables you have at home in your refrigerator, feel free to add them. But bocconcini cheese gives real good flavor, and avocado also is creamy. So these two ingredients are the main ones in this salad. The rest is your choice. You add whatever you want, and a simple dressing to go with it. Let's proceed. These are the ingredients for the salad. We have taken 1 iceberg lettuce. We'll use it as required. 1 avocado, handful of roasted walnuts, 2 tablespoons of roasted pumpkin seeds, salt as needed, roasted flaxseed powder 1 teaspoon, crushed black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Here we have bocconcini cheese balls. I've taken 2 large size. You get them in various different sizes, small, big and larger. We have assorted bell peppers 1 cup, taken green, yellow and red ones. Cherry tomatoes about 6. Extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon. Apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon. Mayonnaise 1 tablespoon. Honey 1 tablespoon. For your reference, the ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Now let's begin the process of making the salad. First we'll break the iceberg lettuce and immerse the pieces in cold water. This makes it nice and crunchy. Always stir the lettuce with hands. Do not use knife for cutting it. This is a tip. Until you make the other ingredients ready, let it be immersed in cold water, ice cold water, which really makes it nice and crispy. You can use any lettuce that you have or the one you like. My personal preference is iceberg lettuce. So this is done. Now let's deseed the avocado. Choose a nice and ripe one. Cut it into 2 halves. Twist it to separate it and hit the knife hard on the seed, twist it and pull it out. Very easy. Now make slits on the pulp. Crisscross. Using a small spoon, scoop it out. Comes out very easily. Same way you repeat with the second one. This spoon is really very handy. I also use it for removing the idlis from the mold. Now let's make the dressing. Pour the vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, honey into a bowl. Add mayonnaise, salt, black pepper and roasted flaxseed powder. Give it a nice mix with a small balloon whisk to combine all the ingredients very well. Now this is done. Time to remove the lettuce. Drain out all the water nicely and put it into a bowl. A small request, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications. You can see how crunchy the lettuce has become. Fresh and nice. Now time to mix the salad. You can cut the tomatoes into halves if you wish, or leave them as it is. I'm cutting the larger ones, and smaller ones you can put them as they are. Now the bocconcini cheese also, you can cut it into pieces, the size you like. I'm cutting into quarters. Put the avocado, and the peppers have already gone in. Mix the dressing, leaving half for later to pour it on the lettuce. Give it a gentle stir so that the avocado doesn't break, because we don't want the salad to be mushy. Now take a serving platter, spread the lettuce. Remaining salad dressing you pour over the lettuce leaves so that they also get the flavor. Now spoon the salad over them. You can use all the ingredients that you have at home, whatever is your choice, apart from avocado and bocconcini cheese. Now time to add the nuts and seeds. Roasted nuts and roasted seeds really give a crunchy texture to the salad. But remember, make sure you add them just before serving so that they don't become soggy. Salad is ready to be served. Such a delicious platter, colorful and healthy. Do give it a try with the vegetables of your choice. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thanks for watching, and check out these videos from the archives. You might have missed watching some. Bye.